Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, I went to fight a holy war along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. My camel was walking slowly. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam came to me and said, O Jabir, I submitted, yes. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, How are you? I submitted, my camel is walking slowly and it has tired me and I have been overdistanced by others. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam dismounted, struck it with his shield and then said, Now ride it. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I mounted it and found myself preventing it from overstripping the mount of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, Have you married? I submitted, yes. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam asked, Have you married a maiden or a widow? I submitted, no, a widow. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, Why have you not married a maiden, so that you may play with her and she may play with you? I submitted, I have got some sisters, so I wish to marry a woman who would look after them, comb their hair and tend them. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, Now where are you going? When you reach home, you should strive for getting progeny. You should strive for getting progeny. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam then said, Will you sell your camel? I submitted, yes. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam purchased that camel from me for 1 awqiyah of silver. Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam reached Medina Munawwara and I as well reached in the morning. I made towards the door of the mosque and found the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam standing there. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam asked, You have come now? I submitted, yes. He sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, Leave your camel, enter the mosque and perform 2-unit prayer. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, I went into the mosque and performed 2 units. When I came back, he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said to Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu, Weigh for him 1 awqiyah of silver. Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu weighed silver for me with the scale having silver down. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, Taking the silver, I walked away and hardly had I turned my back when he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, Call Jabir. I said to myself, Now he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam will give me my camel back, and I extremely disliked the return of that camel. I was still in this embarrassing situation when he sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, Take your camel back and keep its price as well. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3626.